In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a new audience on Mailchimp. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So if you are wanting to create a new audience on Mailchimp, if you are on the free version of Mailchimp, you can only have one audience, so make sure you have no audiences on Mailchimp if you're on the free plan. But if you are on any of the paid plans, you obviously can have more than one. So if you are wanting to create a new one, what you'll need to do is first off log into Mailchimp and then come to the sidebar here. And then what you will need to do is scroll down to the left hand side until you find audience. Click on audience, and then what that will do is it will bring up this little page here. And then as you can see in the top right corner, there is an option there to create audience. If you click on create audience, what that will do is it will bring up this little menu. So what you can do is you can put in a audience name, and then what you need to do is enter in your email address and default from name. Obviously with the default from email address, this will be your own custom professional email address, your business email. And then once you have filled out all the information, what you can do is you can scroll down and then you can click on enable double opt-in, enable GDPR fields, and then you can also scroll down once you have entered in all the relevant information and simply click on save. So that's how you can go ahead and create a new audience on Mailchimp.